Ever dreamed of exploring India but don't know where to start? With its mind-blowing history, stunning landscapes, and incredible culture, India can feel overwhelming for first-time travelers. Which city should you visit first? Should you chase tigers in the wild, cruise through backwaters, or explore ancient palaces? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into the 8 best places in India that are perfect for first-timers. So, which one will steal your heart? Let's find out. Agra. Imagine standing before a monument so breathtaking it feels like time has stopped. The Taj Mahal. Yeah, you've seen pictures, but trust me, nothing prepares you for seeing it in real life. The white marble glows under the morning sun, and as you walk closer, every detail, every intricate carving, tells a story of love and loss. Built by Emperor Shah Jahan for his wife Mumtaz, the Taj isn't just a wonder of the world, it's a love letter carved in stone. But Agra isn't just about the Taj. Walk through the Agra Fort, a massive red sandstone fortress that once housed emperors. It's like stepping into a historical epic. Think grand courtyards, secret chambers, and a view of the Taj in the distance. If you want something underrated, check out the Baby Taj, the tomb of Idamad-ud-Dawla. Some say it inspired the Taj Mahal itself. And of course, don't leave without trying Agra's famous pitha, a delicious sweet made from ash gourd. Oh, and if you want the ultimate Instagram shot, catch the sunset at Mehtab Bagh, a garden right across the river from the Taj. Watching the monument reflect in the Yamuna River, pure magic. Jaipur. Welcome to Jaipur, where every street, every building, and every corner feels like it came straight out of a fairy tale. The city is drenched in history, yet it's buzzing with life. Camels trotting alongside luxury cars, vibrant street markets, and towering forts that have seen centuries pass by. First stop? Amber Fort. You don't just visit this place, you experience it. Ride an elephant up the cobbled path, or take a jeep if you prefer speed. Once inside, it's a maze of mirror halls, hidden passageways, and jaw-dropping courtyards. Then, there's Hawa Mahal, the Palace of Winds. This pink masterpiece has 953 tiny windows that were designed to let cool air flow through. Perfect for those scorching Rajasthan summers. Jaipur isn't just about palaces and forts. Take a rickshaw ride through the Johari Bazaar, where streets are lined with shops selling everything from gemstones to colorful fabrics. Feeling adventurous? Try Dal Bati Churma, a Rajasthani delicacy that's an explosion of flavors. And for the grand finale, head to Nahargarh Fort for sunset. Watching the city lights flicker from the top, it's the kind of view you won't forget. Varanasi. Picture this. The sun rises over the Ganges River, casting golden reflections on the rippling water. Priests chant ancient hymns, the scent of incense fills the air, and hundreds of people gather at the ghats, some praying, some taking a dip in the sacred river. Welcome to Varanasi, the beating heart of India's spirituality. This city isn't just old, it's ancient. Over 3,000 years of history seep through its narrow alleyways and crumbling temples. And if you're here, you have to experience the Ganga Aarti at Dashashwamedh Ghat. As night falls, priests perform a mesmerizing fire ritual, swaying giant brass lamps in rhythmic motion while bells and chants echo through the air. It's a spiritual spectacle unlike anything else. But Varanasi isn't just about rituals. Walk through its chaotic, vibrant streets, and you'll find some of the best street food in India. Try the crispy kachori sabzi, sip on a frothy lassi from Blue Lassi Shop, or indulge in a Banarasi pan, a betel leaf filled with sweet spiced flavors. For a deeper dive into history, visit Sarnath, where Buddha gave his first sermon. And if you want a surreal experience, take a boat ride at dawn, watching the ghats come to life. It's peaceful, haunting, and utterly unforgettable. Goa. Now let's switch gears. From the spiritual depths of Varanasi, we head to Goa, the land of sun, sand, and susegad. Whether you want to party all night or just chill by the beach, Goa has something for every traveler. First things first, the beaches. Baga and Kalanguti are where all the action happens, beach shacks, water sports, and music that never stops. But if you're looking for something quieter, head to Palolem or Aganda, where the waves gently kiss the shore and palm trees sway in the breeze. Goa isn't just about beaches, though. The Portuguese influence is everywhere, from the stunning Basilica of Bom Jesus to the colorful Latin Quarter of Fontainhas. Strolling through these streets feels like stepping into a different era. And oh, the food. Goa's cuisine is a mouth-watering mix of Indian and Portuguese flavors. Try Goan prawn curry, babinka, a layered dessert, or if you're feeling adventurous, be warned, it's spicy. Whether you're sipping a fainy cocktail by the beach or exploring the spice plantations, Goa isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. And once you're here, you won't want to leave. Kerala. Imagine drifting through a network of emerald green backwaters on a traditional houseboat, the sound of water gently lapping against the wooden hull. Welcome to Kerala, God's own country. This place is pure bliss, where nature and culture blend seamlessly to create a paradise for travelers. First stop, Aleppi's backwaters. Hop onto a houseboat and glide through endless palm-fringed canals, past tiny villages where kids wave at you from the banks. It's slow, peaceful, and something you'll never forget. But Kerala isn't just about backwaters. Head to Munnar, a hill station wrapped in mist, where tea plantations stretch as far as the eye can see. The air here smells of fresh tea leaves, and a visit to a tea factory will show you the magic behind your morning cup. For a bit of adventure, Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary is the place to be. Spot wild elephants, go on a jungle trek, or take a boat ride through the lush forests. And then there's the beachside magic, Kovalam and Varkala. Think golden sands, dramatic cliffs, and waves perfect for surfing. And let's talk food. Kerala's cuisine is a dream. From spicy fish curry to crispy appams with stew, every bite is an explosion of flavors. Whether you're sipping on fresh coconut water or indulging in a traditional sadhya meal served on a banana leaf, Kerala is a feast for both the stomach and the soul. Ranthambore. Ever dreamt of seeing a tiger in the wild? Ranthambore National Park is where that dream can come true. This isn't just any wildlife reserve, it's a place where history, nature, and adventure collide in the most thrilling way possible. Picture this. You're on a jeep safari rolling through dense forests and vast grasslands when suddenly your guide whispers, "Tiger!" Your heart races as you spot a Bengal tiger emerging from the bushes. Majestic, powerful, and absolutely breathtaking. Ranthambore is one of the best places in India to witness these incredible creatures in their natural habitat. But there's more to this place than just tigers. The Ranthambore Fort, perched high on a hill, is a hidden gem. It dates back nearly 1,000 years and offers panoramic views of the jungle below. The fort's ruins, ancient temples, and massive gates tell stories of battles and legends long past. Wildlife lovers rejoice. Besides tigers, Ranthambore is home to leopards, sloth bears, marsh crocodiles, and over 300 species of birds. It's a paradise for photographers and nature lovers alike. And after a long day of exploring, there's nothing like sipping chai in the middle of the jungle, soaking in the raw beauty of nature. Ranthambore isn't just a safari, it's an experience that stays with you forever. Hampi. Imagine wandering through a landscape filled with ancient temples, giant boulders, and crumbling ruins that whisper tales of a once mighty empire. Welcome to Hampi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that feels like stepping into a history book, but better. This was once the capital of the Vijayanagara Empire, one of India's greatest civilizations. Today what remains is a surreal world of stone-carved temples, grand palaces, and mysterious marketplaces. Start your adventure at the Virupaksha Temple, where priests still perform rituals and mischievous monkeys swing from the pillars. Then, walk through the Vitala Temple, home to the legendary musical pillars. Yes, they produce music when tapped. But Hampi isn't just about history, it's also a rock climber's paradise. The landscape is scattered with massive boulders, perfect for adventure seekers. If you're not into climbing, rent a bicycle and explore the ruins at your own pace, feeling like Indiana Jones uncovering lost treasures. And when the sun sets, head to Matanga Hill for a breathtaking view of the entire ancient city bathed in golden light. If you ever wanted to time travel, Hampi is the closest you'll get. Darjeeling. Ever dreamed of waking up to a sunrise over the Himalayas, sipping on the world's finest tea while clouds roll beneath your feet? That's Darjeeling. Nestled in the mountains of West Bengal, this hill station is straight out of a postcard. First things first, Tiger Hill sunrise. It's a must. You'll have to wake up before dawn, but trust me, when the sun rises behind Mount Kanchenjunga, painting the sky in shades of pink and gold, you'll know it was worth every lost minute of sleep. Then, there's the legendary Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Also called the Toy Train, this charming steam-powered train takes you on a slow, scenic ride through lush green hills, tea estates, and quaint villages. Speaking of tea, Darjeeling tea is world famous for a reason. Visit one of the many tea plantations, sip a freshly brewed cup, and learn what makes this place the champagne of teas. Want something unique? Visit the Goom Monastery to see a giant Buddha statue and hear monks chanting ancient prayers, or take a stroll through the Mall Road where cozy cafes, bookshops, and souvenir stores make for the perfect mountain town experience. Darjeeling isn't just a destination, it's a feeling, a breath of fresh mountain air, and a memory that lingers long after you leave. And there you have it, 8 incredible places in India that are perfect for first-time travelers. Which one is calling your name? Let me know in the comments. India is full of magic, history, and adventure, and this is just the beginning. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Explore Edge, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on more amazing travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.